guys, how are you? So today we have basically we're in June, so this is June Beautyfix 2018. So we have this one right here. I know it came like this, I don't know why, but let's get to opening because yes, this is actually, let me see, this one is $26.45 a month, and it's usually mostly very high-end prices things, and also very beauty, basically skincare related, if that makes any sense. So it's more like skincare. Let's see, open. Ooh. So I don't know why it is that a lot of boxes come with this, but I mean, I don't even see a paper here. But this month I have seen a lot of boxes come with this. I don't know if it's like buy one get one free and they got a lot of them free, but yes, I have Brazilian Bonbon Cream infused with all-powerful guarana extract. That's always good to have. Let's see if there's like something that describes what the box comes with. There's no paper. I'm so confused. Usually the thing is somewhere here. I guess it's not. So we have no idea what these products are other than what it says on the envelope. So we have this one is by a Vitamin C Serum, Brightening Vitamin C Serum by Dermalogica. It's like a little sample, not for resale. It says high performance serums that enhances skin natural defense system to brighten, firm, and help dramatically reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. So this is says advanced biotechnology and ultra satin vitamin C complex works synergistically to enhance bioavailability of vitamin C to fight antioxidant stress of the appearance of skin aging before it starts. Doesn't say anything about when to apply it. So it has AHA, so you have to be careful of the sun after applying it. So that's good to know. So maybe apply it at night. The next thing we have is Juliet Has a Gun Moscow Mule. This, I guess, is a perfume, yeah. An exhilarating cocktail. I think I got it before. Yeah, it has very nice smell. Yeah, I like it. Very flowery. It says it's Romano Ricci, great grandson of Nina Ricci. Moscow Mule is an exhilarating and vibrant composition evoking the lime and ginger notes of edgy cocktail. It does. The next thing we have is Frizz Blowout Butter for medium to thick hair, and that's awesome because I'm always looking for something to use in my hair whenever I straighten it or anything, more so because I have like treated hair. As you can see, it's blonde now. So I'm always using for something like that. This one says erection emulsify small amount in palms to transform product from creamy to oily. Apply evenly through damp hair and before blowing out. So nice. Let's see if it has a smell. Very buttery smell to it. Crazy. Nice. The next thing, the Cool Fix. So it's targeted gel lotion. Treats ingrown hairs, razor bumps, razor burn, and redness. Lotion. So this one I'm probably gonna give to my hubby because he gets these. I never get razor burn, so that's cool. Let's see. We have a huge box. It's called Sun Damage Prevention Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It has 100 mineral sunscreen. So I don't know if it comes with one or two things here. Physician recommended an 100% mineral sunscreen in weightless, oilless free lotion that absorbs instantly for protection. Continuous deep delivery of pronacin improves the moisture, has vitamin E, alpha biosol. Let's see how this looks. So it is a full container. It's awesome. So I like lotions that come like this because it's really nice. It's like probably for that alone it's like 30 bucks. So really nice. And then the last thing, so there's nothing else other than those little papers. We have InStyle Best Beauty Buys, Color Rescents, Unforgettable, Brush On Sunscreen. So we have 2 sunscreens. Mineral sunscreen. Yeah, so it is a sunscreen. This is 50% sunscreen, broad spectrum, fight skin aging, mess-free powder, immediate on-the-go protection. It looks like this, the box. Seems like a big size as well. Oh, so it's powder. So it's like a brush, and then you just put powder. This is so crazy. It's like the first time I see this, something like this. It says experience the confidence and ease of color essence. Trusted and personal use by thousands of physicians. 365 defense from UV and environmental stressors. How to use. Sweep generally and evenly on the skin to improve to sun exposure. Every 2 hours you need to reapply. And then you see the inserts. Crazy, but nice. We have, this is 6 grams. This one is really big as well, 75 milliliters. And then even this ones seem to be big. So I'm really excited. I mean, all of the things that I actually want to try. And yes, this time around we did not get like nothing. I keep on looking because it's usually like a little card that tells you about the product, but nothing this time around. I'm kind of like surprised, but yeah, let's see. How did you like this box? This is like a little bit different, but always really nice to get things that are for healthier skin. I hope you guys like the box unopening, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.